This is Noor Al-Huda, and you are listening to my review of The Food Forward Garden, a complete guide to designing and growing edible landscapes, written by Christian Douglas and published by Artisan in October 2024. I think one of the most important things that he talks about in the book is given on page 96, titled Edible Swaps. There he writes, quote, "With a purposeful shift in thinking, you can see that hedges, statement trees, evergreen shrubs, and ground covers all offer tasty opportunities for food production. The trick is to find an edible match with similar characteristics that can fulfill the same role in the landscape." Unquote. And that is the synopsis of this book. He further says in the options, quote, "In trees, Japanese maples are easily substituted with any deciduous fruit tree, provided you have enough sun. Try apple, mulberry, pear, or quince. Each boasts distinct foliage as well as beautiful spring blossoms. With their large, glossy evergreen leaves, magnolias are commonly used as ornamental trees, but avocado and loquat trees have a similar look and could serve the same design function in the right climate. Similarly, a persimmon tree makes a fine replacement for dogwood or catalpa." In Hedges and Topiary, he suggests, quote, "Rather than wrapping your property in unexciting hedging, create a fruitful or fragrant border by, for example, swapping a clipped boxwood for a compact blueberry." Other robust culinary hedges to explore include sweet bay, rosemary, buckthorn, pineapple, guava, and citrus. In Vines and Climbers, he says, the same approach applies to arbors and other structures that support climbers and vines. Choose productive grapes, kiwi fruit, or passion fruit, for instance, in place of non-edible jasmine, wisteria, or bougainvillea. As a ground cover, thyme, strawberry, yerba buena, and lingonberry plants all work well as edible ground covers. Unquote.